In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up WooCommerce login for your customers. Whether your store is public or private, this process will help streamline your customer experience, allowing them to log in conveniently and securely. So, let's get started. First, we need to navigate to wordpress.com. It's the central hub for all your website building needs. So open up your preferred web browser and head over there. Once you're at wordpress.com, go ahead and click on the Login button. This will take you to the login screen where you need to enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up. After you're logged in, it's time to access your WordPress dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. The dashboard is your control center, allowing you to customize and manage every aspect of your website. So navigate to your WordPress dashboard from the main menu. Once you're there, look for the WooCommerce option. This is crucial, as WooCommerce is the platform that we're going to configure for customer logins. Next, within the WordPress dashboard, locate and click on the WooCommerce settings. This is where we can make adjustments to both our store's functionality and appearance. Within WooCommerce settings, you'll see several tabs. What we need now is the General tab. So go ahead and click on that. After clicking on the General tab, the next step is to head over to the Accounts and Privacy section. This area is essential for managing user interaction with your site. By clicking on Accounts and Privacy, you're opening up a range of options specifically tailored to account settings and user privacy. Finally, now that you're in the Accounts and Privacy section, you will want to focus on Account Creation. Clicking on this will allow you to modify how accounts are created and managed within your WooCommerce store. Make sure to enable the options that best fit your store's needs, whether you want to allow customers to create accounts during checkout, or if you prefer more control over account management. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to setting up customer logins on your WooCommerce store. By following these steps, you're ensuring a smoother experience for your customers, whether they're shopping publicly or securely in a private setting. Remember, setting up a seamless login process not only enhances user experience, but also helps build trust and loyalty with your customers. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.